Okay, hi guys, welcome back to another video. I think this is the first video that I'm making in probably more than a month or 2 months. I can't even remember. And probably some of you were wondering, where is this guy? I'm there, I'm here. It's just that this year has been kind of hectic. I've been studying and also my other businesses. I've been looking at expanding my other businesses. A whole lot of other things have been happening that have been taking my time. But I've still been trading as well. I've also been trading as well. As you can see on my screen there, I'm still a big part of me is still swing trading, especially this year. It helped me a lot, swing trading, because a lot of things, I've been doing a lot of things, so I can't always be on my charts every day. So that's one of the beauty of swing trading. You can basically set your trades and go and do your other things, and hopefully the market will do the work on your behalf. So yeah, welcome to the channel. I apologize if you thought I was dead, or if you thought I lost the passwords to my YouTube channel. No, I didn't do that. I'm still very much alive, and it's just that I've been busy. But I'm going to try again to continue making these videos, because I like talking to you guys. I like sharing with people the knowledge that I've gathered in the trading game. So yeah, if you have any comments, questions and things like that, feel free to ask me anything. I'm here. I'll try my best. School is closing very soon, so definitely we'll have more time to start making these videos again. And yeah, it's a two-year degree, so next year we'll be back again at it. But this December, November, December, I should find a time to go through everything else. So what I have here is just basically some trades that I am in. As you can see, I think I've done a lot of videos on this channel already, showing my system. I basically trade most of the time I'm trading supply, demand, support and resistance, whether it's horizontal or whether it's skewed. Sometimes people think that support and resistance, or supply and demand, must only be horizontal. It's not always only horizontal. So, and what I usually actually love to trade are channels. I love channels, guys. I love channels. I can go to a chart and I can quickly pick out channels, and that's how I actually get into the market. Of course, then I will look at other things, probably fundamentals, and a whole lot of other things to just help my argument. So this is what I have on Euro USD. This is the H4 time frame. Like I said, I'm swing trading most of the year. I've just been swing trading. Just place your trades where you believe the market is going to turn, then leave the market to do what it can on your behalf. Hopefully you are right. If you are wrong, your stop loss is just around somewhere there. If you are wrong, you get out of the market, and definitely you are going to take this trade. If you are wrong, you get out of the market and you take this trade. If you are correct, then hopefully we can come. Actually, I'm thinking we are probably going to come around this level here. But if not, we are going to come around where my TP is around here. It's around about midpoint. My experience of the market has usually shown me that usually we bounce up to around midpoint, or even around here, before we go back again, or before we actually continue going down. So this will be my Euro USD. This is what I have in my Euro USD. Let's see what happens. Hopefully we can come down here, around about somewhere here. If I look at my channels again, they can tell me. So that's why we have a small push up there. So let's just see somewhere around there. So we had a tap in here, so hopefully we can come back and tap it again. Remember, this is what is happening. So there's a thing going on here, a thing going on here. So around this zone there is something happening here, but my target will be either here or here or here, but we'll see what happens with Euro USD. It might actually reverse from this point and go back up. It happens. The market does what the market wants to do. Unfortunately, I don't control the market. I'm just a player in the market, but I don't control the market. So I leave the market to do what the market wants to do. Show me if there are any opportunities, then I take those opportunities. So that's Euro USD. I'm not in any trade on NAS 100. By the way, these are the pairs on my watch list. If you can see, I've got Euro USD, GBP USD, AUD USD, USD CHF, USD JPY, then gold and silver. Mostly I've been trading gold and silver, guys. Gold and silver pays for the amount of effort that you put in. Gold and silver pays. And if you are really good, really good, you need to look at silver, guys. You can see I've got how many trades on silver here. I've got 3 trades on silver. They're almost just slightly more than gold, and definitely more than my Euro USD in terms of pip value. Definitely more than my Euro USD. And so for the same amount of effort that you can use to trade these normal pairs, if you are really good, switch to gold. This is my trade on gold, by the way. This is my trade on gold. So I sold around here, and I'm hoping that gold comes to this level. This is 1950. I am praying and hoping that gold drops down to 1950. So if the heavens are listening, maybe let's push gold down to 1950, and I'll take out some of the trades, and hopefully we can continue dropping it down. So we'll see what happens there. Again, you can see my trades. I don't have stop losses. It doesn't mean that I don't have stop losses. I have what we call mental stop losses. Basically, I know I've got an app. I think I've shared it previously on this channel. That app tells me if price comes here around 2000 or around 1990 there, then I can quickly go to my chart and decide, is it a fluke? Are they just trying to shake out people and continue going down, or is momentum really shifted against me? Then I can take out my my trades. But as we go, maybe let me just do what I would then do. What I'll then do is I'll just move my stops to break even. So I'm not going to just go through all the trades and put break evens on them. The problem, it's an issue with me. I think it's an issue with me. I hate stop losses, especially when price has not moved a distance in my direction, because I've noticed that these market makers, they love to do this. So here you might have been correct, but look at this week. It just took you out of your trade, and then you watched the trade going without you. That's what I hate about stop losses. So what I do is I have triggers. I have an app that tells me the price, where is it, if it's where I don't like it, then I can quickly go to my charts and close that trade. But if it's something else, then I know maybe they are just trying to get us out of trades. So you could have bought here your nice stop loss somewhere here or whatever, and boom, they took you out, but then they continued without you, but you were correct. It's just that the stop loss thing. So yeah, I know people have got different feelings about stop losses and stuff. This is what works for me. Do what works for you, guys. There is no one way of skinning forex trading. Everybody has their own way that works for them. So yeah, feel free to play along with what is working for you, what is making you money. If you find something that is making you money, stick with it. Don't let anybody tell you that you are doing it the wrong way, or you are supposed to be doing it this way, or you are supposed to be doing that. If it's making you money, stick with it. Okay. So this is my gold trades. So hopefully we can get some more push to the downside. It's early in the morning today. I haven't even checked my fundamentals. I used to have an indicator here that would give me fundamentals. I don't know, because of the updates on MT4, it also continues to go, to give me problems. So I'll have to go to trading economics and check for news there. But that's what I have on gold there. Let's see what happens. Then silver. Guys, if you want to make money with forex pairs and more money with the effort that you put in normal forex pairs, what you probably need to do is to trade silver. You can see I've got the same size of lot sizes here. Silver is paying me even more than gold. Sometimes it's actually a vast difference. Here you don't see the difference. Sometimes it's even a bigger difference. And you can see silver does not need to move a long distance for you to make money. Let's go back to our gold trade. You'll find that gold will need to move a long distance for you to make money. Forex pairs will actually need to move even a longer distance to make you money. But silver, it just needs a short distance and you are in the money. Again, that's not to say that it's easy money and stuff like that. Of course, if you are on the wrong side of the market, it's the quickest way of blowing your accounts. So that's why when I started the video, I said if you are really good with trading, have silver on your charts. It pays really well for the same effort that you put on normal pairs like EURUSD, and it even pays better than gold as well. But they are kind of cousins. They are kind of the same way. And what I also noticed is that sometimes gold is easier to trade than silver. Silver sometimes is just there blowing accounts. Sometimes it just loves to blow accounts. But when it moves, these moves, guys, I was making money in these moves. When it moves, guys, here they are blowing accounts. They are blowing accounts, really. They are blowing accounts. But when it starts pushing, guys, silver pays. I trade silver, and I've my primary trades are actually gold and silver. That's my primary trades. Then EURUSD, I like it because I know it's very easy to analyze. Especially, I think I've done a lot of videos on this channel already about how easy it is to trade EURUSD. Go look for those videos. So yeah, I'm alive, guys. I've been there. It's just that I've been busy for the most part of this year. That's why I've been quiet. But I'm not dead. I'm not dead. I'm alive. I just wanted to come back and say, guys, I'm still alive. I'm going to start making more videos again. So yeah, I've been trading. I just haven't been recording videos, but I've been trading. So yeah, subscribe if you're new to the channel. Let's continue doing this. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.